Plymouth to take a look at here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 1946 Plymouth Special Deluxe Coupe. Good looking car, right on the wide white walls. Very stock in orientation, hasn't been really street rotted, anything like that. Does have an inline six underneath the hood. 3.6 liter, 218 cubic inches, I believe it would be. Still a 6-volt system. We're going to pop that hood a little bit later, let you check out the engine bay, start it up, let you hear it run. But first, take a look at that chrome bright work up on the front of this car. Of course, headlight surrounds. Paint on it, very interesting color. It's, I don't know, some will call it a burgundy, but it's almost kind of a plum with almost like a metallic to it. It's great looking on this car. It gives it that old school, kind of antique, older feel to it. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see that engine bay, check out the interior undersides. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Look at the bright work up and down the side of this vehicle. Polished, looking good. Be a fun one to get in and drive. Take local cruise-ins, roll-ins. Interior, light gray cloth. Kind of medium gray, I guess, if you will. Very stock-looking dash. Of course, that inline six is paired up with 3-speed manual transmission. As you can see, the old 3 in the tree, if you will. Manual shift in the column. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the chrome in the rear. Rest of the bright work. A little bit of pitting on the Plymouth placard on the back. Of course, the ship. That upper light. There'll be still pictures in the trunk. Back seat, undersides, again, still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Take a look up and down the driver's side at the bright work. Polished pieces on this side. Are they perfect? No, but boy, do they still show well. But you might have like a little tiny, you can see that, it's got a little tiny small dent. Maybe a couple just show up a little bit up there, but again, one of those, get in, drive it, have some fun. Interior shows well. There's that medium gray cloth. Prop that door open. Seat appears to be free of rips, tears, holes, really much wear at all. Headliner. Get a good look at that, and there'll be pictures again of the headliner, back seat, and with the still pictures, probably close to 100 pictures of this car online. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. So, key down here in the center. Go ahead and turn that to on. Clutch is in. Starter button up here. See how easily that starts. Now, it's like oil pressure rising as it should. Fuel gauge also looks like it's working, went up. That temp gauge isn't going to be moving much for a while. That was pretty much a cold start. All right, let's take a little closer look at this. Look at this chrome bright work on the dash. How cool. Looking out the windshield, of course, the visor up there for that old school look also. Wow. And obviously this has went through some restoration work with the interior, the paint, the dash. Listen to it run. What you'd expect out of a 46 Plymouth. All right, let's slip up to the front. Now this would have an inside hood release, FYI. So that is going to be right here. Pull that. How nicely that door closes too. Wow. I'm going to pause this a second. Let me get this hood open and we'll check out that engine bay and finish up this.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here we go, the hood open. Check out the horns up front. Looks like it's newer wiring also. Nice condition. Of course, 6-volt battery. There's that inline 6. Coming right along. Heater hose is still intact. Hooked up properly. What you'd expect underneath the hood of a stock 46 Plymouth Special Deluxe 2-door Coupe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video and the description is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Just consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.